He will be successful, Your Honor.
But has he done anything on probation?
He was not a good candidate for probation.
Well, someone exposed, so just need to find out.
Good morning. So do you guys finished with your trial?
It was a hung jury.
Right out of the gate, notice the tension here. We're already talking about probation failure. That's huge. In court, probation isn't a free pass, it's a test. And the unspoken question hanging in the air is, did he ever actually try? Keep that in mind, because it's about to matter a lot.
A weekend. But it was great because I was living downtown.
Yeah, it's a difficult case. And that's the first three panels completely busted. Mm-hmm. Fourth and fifth were combined to get enough jurors, and then it was the week of testimony. And here we are. Yeah.
Wow. Well, we of course we're in trial every week, but we finished our trial, and then there was the sewage leak.
That was
the first floor, and I was just, people were asking me, is it the north end or the south end? I'm like, I do left and right. I'm like, it's a way. Don't go out the way near the cathedral and you'll be fine.
Yes. They had a lot of issues with inmates in the 226. Yeah.
Oh, we had to send, some didn't arrive, but at least we could do it by Zoom, so that was good. All right, the court is calling 2020 CR 2494B.
Quick courtroom reality check. Despite the casual chatter, once a case is called, everything shifts. This is where small procedural details start carrying big consequences, especially in probation revocation hearings, where the rules are very different from a regular trial.
Number 5, the state waived all other allegations without objection. Then we called it back for September 29th, and counsel was in trial, so now we're here for today.
Yes.
State, what are you requesting? All right, and defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, our initial request would be just a huge change of circumstances if the court would consider a revocation and then placing Mr. Contreras on 5 years probation, regular probation, understanding that he'll have the felony conviction. But circumstances are such now that he's clean, he's sober, his issues are behind him. He has a lot of family support here behind him. The court wants to hear from some of them. But basically, they will all proffer that basically what everybody is going to say is he had his issues there, and quite honestly, he was going to test positive for drugs, and which is why he became a fugitive. It's been weighing on him. He hasn't committed any new offenses, but he's gotten close to in the church. He's now very bad in his religious. He's a good family man now at this point. All of his family's here supporting him. Quite honestly, back in the day, they wouldn't necessarily be here, is what they say. But he has proven to them that he is a committed person to family, friends. He's in a long-term relationship. I think it's an unusual set of circumstances. I understand revocation or termination, but Mr. Contreras is asking if the court would allow him an opportunity to be placed on probation. He'd start over 5 years instead of 2 years, and he will be successful.
Sobriety,
but has he done anything on probation?
All-powerful mitigation factors.
He was not a good candidate for probation back then. I mean,
they look at whether
short answer is no. He didn't do what he did not meet his obligations on probation.
I mean, did he ever report?
He did. No.
Okay. All right. And state?
Yeah, right. Obviously, I did not deal with this case previously, but Melissa always had, I believe, recommended 1 year, or that's what the request state counsel.
Okay. And probation, you recommending revocation?
They are, Your
Summary judge, revocation.
All right, so this is what I want to tell you. I appreciate the fact that you've changed your life.
Yes.
but you haven't done anything. So,
Just one thing to add, Judge, I forgot. He's current on all of his fines, and he took a UA, and he is also clean as he stands.
so I'm going to give you a choice today. These are your only choices, right? I am going to,
This is a pivotal moment. The judge is about to frame this as a choice, but make no mistake, it's a constrained one. This isn't mercy versus punishment, it's about how much discretion the court is willing to extend after a probation failure.
change our lives. We change our lives and then we want everybody to forget about everything else. And that can't be done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can either do a year at the state jail facility or you can do a year at the Bexar County Jail. If there are no objections, I'll do a 1244.
Bexar County Jail.
Is there any objection from the state to the court? All right. All right. This is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court found violation of condition number 5 true. The court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke. The court will sentence you to 365 days at the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for any time served. Let me see.
And there it is, revocation granted, sentence imposed. Even with evidence of change, probation violations are often treated as broken contracts with the court. The takeaway? In the justice system, timing matters. Change is powerful, but it doesn't erase the past. Do you agree with the judge's decision here, or would you have ruled differently?